Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to answer the question, what's the difference between a tactic and a strategy? We talk about tactics versus strategy all the time when we're onboarding clients. Usually, most small business owners are living in the realm of tactics. And our goal as a marketing agency is to move them over into a strategy that's going to work for their business. Tactics are the activities you try when working on your marketing. This can be everything from digital advertising to social media to rebranding or overhauling your website. A lot of digital marketing agencies, ourselves included, supply these tactics as services. But what's more important is the strategy that defines how they all fit together. Without a strategy, you probably find yourself suffering from shiny object syndrome, jumping from tactic to tactic and spending a lot of money without ever actually moving the needle for your business. So as a business owner, how do you move from tactical thinking into strategic thinking? Well, number one, stop chasing trends. Just because a lot of people are on TikTok these days doesn't mean that your business needs to be on TikTok. And just because a lot of people are talking about ChatGPT doesn't mean that it's going to suddenly solve all your marketing challenges. Before jumping on your next tactic, you need to take a step back and take a bird's eye view of your business. Have you built user personas and a customer journey map so you actually know who you're selling to and how they're interacting with your business? Have you refined your conversion mechanisms so that your marketing is actually pushing people into something that can turn them into customers? If the answer to those questions is no, and you find yourself jumping from tactic to tactic, that's very common, but it's still a massive problem and something that you need to solve for your business right away. If you need some help doing that, we'd love to have a conversation with you. Book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.